Okay, hi guys, I'm Hazira and you're watching the HALALTRIP channel. Okay, today we're gonna try Goshin Ramen. It's I think the only Japanese restaurant that's halal in Terminal 4. So today I'm gonna try out different things. Okay, so first I'm gonna try this nasi lemak donburi. It is a nasi lemak donburi. It's 1480 and this is the full size. So I'm just gonna try it. So I have a friend with me, but she's camera shy, so okay, I'm gonna try chicken. I have to try the juice first. Chicken is like fried with turmeric. Kunyit, what's kunyit in Malay? English. Turmeric. Lightly coated with turmeric.
They say virgin oil also.
Virgin oil. And they have rice with tempura base. Like normal rice,
but with like nasi lemak stuff lah, with sambal lah.
Yeah, just rice with nasi lemak stuff. And we also have tempura base. This is your omelette. Tamago, yeah, that's true. That sambal is not that spicy. Let me show you tamago.
Dah tak ada lah.
Aku dah. This is how the chicken looks like. And then they also added radish. Ew. Oh my. A bit spicy.
Oh really?
Try it.
Tak nak.
Try it.
Tak nak.
Spicy.
That was funny.
So this is the drink.
That one is Goshin Sunburst. Summer peach.
Summer peach. This is summer peach.
That's summer peach. Okay.
And then they have little balls.
Boba.
No, it's not boba.
That's boba. The other one is pearl. That's boba.
Oh, okay. Oh!
Popping boba.
Why cannot focus? Okay, anyway. I think it's very refreshing.
Yeah, but manis.
Okay, next is their sunburi, is it? Sunburst. Okay, I'll get it. Tastes like candy. It's like orangey, blackcurrant candy. Okay, so we're trying sashimi now. This is my first ever halal sashimi. Sedap. Okay, anyways, so it seems like I didn't record when we ate the mackerel, good mackerel. This is all that's left. It was a big piece. I'll just put in the picture later. But this is all we have left now. But it's so sedap. It is macam masin-masin, it's not very salty, but it's a nice kind of salty. So this is, what is it again?
Toryuku.
Toryuku. It is Toryuku ramen. It's the dry ramen. It is $16.80. Affordable lah. I like it. I think I'm gonna go back here a lot. Like, don't you think so? Oh my god. Like, usually good Japanese food, they would cost like about $20 and above.
Usually, yeah.
$20 and above for one dish, and like the dish is like, but probably because it's like quality. But this is $16.80
And with quality.
and with quality is in the airport, and like you know how people go to airports so often in Singapore. Anyways, then like see. When it came just now, the smell was so strong. Okay, I don't know what this is.
Enoki, fried enoki. Right?
That was fried enoki. And I think this is caviar.
Yeah, it just tastes like
Zero. But it's not. Not salty at all.
yeah.
This is dry ramen. I think it has some black pepper in here. Good. I think if we eat this first, it'll be a lot better. Because now everything is washed. Let me try the egg. Universe. Oh my god. Wow, look at that. Okay guys, so we're done trying everything at Goshin Ramen. Everything is so good. My favorite out of all is the grilled mackerel, which is Oshio? Sobashu.
Yes.
Sabashu, like Sabashu. Okay, and it's $12 for this whole set. So I still think it's the best. Also, another thing I think you should try is sashimi. If you haven't had sashimi before in your entire life, you should try it here. It is called shake. S-H-A-K-E. It's on the menu. It's called shake, which I think is really sake. Seven sashimi. So once again, it's at Terminal 4, Level 2M, next to Andes and next to two stores or 3 stores away from McDonald's. You just have to try it. Just try it. It's amazing. Thank you.